What if I told you there's a way to keep your pool crystal clear without lifting a finger? That's right, robotic pool cleaners are here to revolutionize your pool maintenance. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 robotic pool cleaners of 2025 that are smart, efficient, and worth every penny. Whether you're tired of manual cleaning or just want to save time, these picks will blow you away. Oh, and don't forget, all the product links are in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 1. Aiper Scuba S1 Pool Cleaner. The Aiper Scuba S1 is our favorite robotic pool cleaner because it provides excellent performance without any complicated setup or operation procedures. It's highly effective at cleaning both walls and floors, and the filter basket is big enough that we never had to stop a cleaning cycle to empty it. We used this cordless robot to clean our 10x 40-foot pool twice a week at first, and it provided the same excellent performance each time, covering every part of the floor and the walls and leaving no visible debris behind. We loved how much less time and effort it took than vacuuming the pool manually. After about 6 months of more intense use, running it every day we were home, it still works just as well as it did on day 1. Number 2. Dolphin Explorer E50 Robotic Pool Cleaner. During our initial testing period, we felt like the Dolphin Explorer E50 Robotic Pool Cleaner was the Ferrari of pool cleaners, with an excellent performance, an expansive feature set, and a price tag to match. We still love it after 6 months of daily use, as it has proven to be powerful, effective, and easy to use. In fact, this cleaner has had no problem removing any debris. Because it uses a power cord, the Dolphin E50 doesn't require charging. We loved not needing to worry about keeping batteries charged like you do with cordless pool vacuums, but the cord does limit its capabilities to a 50-foot-long pool, assuming a power outlet that's very close to the pool. It's compatible with all types of pools though, including gunite, fiberglass, and vinyl. Number 3. Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. If you have a large pool or just want a swimming pool cleaner with all the bells and whistles, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme Wi-Fi operated pool cleaner is a worthwhile upgrade. During several months of testing, we were impressed by its thorough cleaning abilities. Unlike less expensive models, this robot also cleans the pool's walls and waterline, ensuring every inch is free from dirt and algae. Its 2-filter system captures all manner of debris and keeps it out of the water. This high-end pool cleaner is suitable for in-ground pools up to 50 feet long, and it needs about 1.5 to 3.5 hours to complete a cleaning cycle, depending on your selection. Number 4. Polaris VRX IQ Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner. For the ultimate pool cleaning convenience, the Polaris VRX IQ Plus is Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to control and schedule it right from the iAquaLink app. Using your smartphone, you can start or stop the cleaner, create customized schedules, and even see when the filter needs cleaning. Thanks to its 70-foot tangle-reducing cable, this high-end robot cleans even the largest in-ground pools. It's important to note that we tested this cleaner in an above-ground pool, so we could not test its wall, step, or waterline cleaning abilities. All in all, though, we were impressed by this cleaner's capacity, which easily handled the pool's floor, which was covered in algae and leaves. It also learns your pool's size and dimensions during the first automatic cleaning cycle, so that it can further enhance and expedite cleaning during subsequent cycles. Number 5. Beatbot AquaSense Pro Pool Cleaner. The Beatbot AquaSense Pro has a remarkably long battery life and all-in-one cleaning capabilities, which is why we think it's the best option for large pools with lots of leaves and other debris. We tested this cleaner in a 12,000-gallon gunite pool with a custom layout for 6 months, and were seriously impressed with how long it runs, up to 5 hours when cleaning the floors and walls, and how clean it left the pool afterward. This is a true all-in-one pool vacuum that cleans floors, climbs walls, scrubs the waterline, and even floats to skim the surface. It kept the floors and walls clean, started to improve the buildup on the waterline tiles, and did a great job of picking up dead insects and palm leaves when skimming the surface. It's even capable of deploying a clarifying agent that can clear up cloudy pool water if you buy the optional clarifying kit. So, Which of these robotic pool cleaners are you adding to your pool care routine? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you find the perfect pool cleaner, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more smart home gadgets and reviews. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Until then, enjoy your sparkling clean pool.